bushes. Road yet, it's not been plowed. Still open the door, that's a good sign. As you can see, it's pretty winter wonderlandy. Oh, those are the Christmas lights. That right there was a little light thing. And we can still open the door, but just barely. The dogs think they want to go out there, but they don't. Hard. Lots of white for our California friends. Ooh, it's cold. Heck. And it's cold out. But I think the worst of it's in the middle of the road. The trees are kind of pretty. Oh, there's my winter man. Oh, what? Butterfly bushes. They look awfully sad. So, are you ready? Okay. And how deep is the snow, Lola? It is taller than Lola. And there's snow in the house. As you can see, the snow is now taller than the Poochies. Pearl! We have to see the adventurous pug trudge through the snow so she can go potty in private. Go on, it's a little deep there, Lola. Maybe we'll turn back. Maybe we didn't plan that out right.